Hey everyone, it's Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I truly appreciate each and every one of you and all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share projects I created as I was challenged by my friend Lady Kre to kill a 12 by 12 collection kit. And I think I lived up to the challenge. But let me share with you the collection kit that I use. I use this Celebrate Christmas by Lori Whitlock, and it's from Echo Park. And this kit contained 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker. And guys, this is all that's left in this kit. This is the cover, and this is the empty sticker sheet. And for the papers I had left, I only had scraps, and this is all that I had left out of that entire kit. So I also used a tag from this Hero Arts tag die. And everyone had this KS Craft Easter gift bag. I didn't use the Easter elements, but I definitely used the bag to create bags. And as you can tell, my theme was Christmas because it's July and it's Christmas in July. So I used some circle and scallop dies from Diamond Press, as well as the scallop layered squares from Creative Expressions, oval and scallop nesting dies from Diamond Press. And this is something I recently hauled from my Home Shopping Network Craft Day event. These are the Anna Griffin Christmas Greetings rub-on transfers, and I use a few out of here. And I use some plaid paper from this Christmas plaid 12 by 12, which is Recollections, which comes from Michaels. Now, I also use all types of foil in my projects as well. Foil from Anna Griffin, foil from Recollections, because to me, it isn't Christmas unless we got a little foil. So guys, I'm going to move this out the way and start sharing with you the projects that I created. The first projects I created were the gift bags that I used with the KS Craft die. Here's the bags, and here's the inside. It was really easy to put together, and I just took some red foil there for the handle. And using a Hero Arts tag, I just made a little tag to coordinate with the paper. And then I took some paper out of my stash to write to and from. Here is a 3x4 cut apart that I put on top of the bag. Here is the second bag. It's Merry and Bright. It sits up like this. Same thing. I took this tag die and made a little tag to go on the bag. And then I used just some paper out of my stash to write to and from. And this was a sticker from the sticker element sticker sheet in the kit. And I just took a circle die and cut that out to embellish the front of my bag. And I used some gold around the handles. And that's what the inside looks like. I think the bags came out really cute. Oh, and to adhere the bags, I just used one of those little bug pins. So I think they're really cute. So let me share with you my other makes. I also created 4x4 cards as well as 3x3 cards. And everything, as I said, came from the collection kit with the exception of the foil paper and my card bases. So I used a 110-pound craft to make this 4x4 card and some jimmies in my stash. That's what that one looks like. This one. Here's the little 3x3 cards. I think they came out really, really cute. And this one. So those are my 4x4 and 3x3 cards. Let me share with you some other things I created. I also created some mini tags using that Hero Arts tag die. And this was just scraps of paper left from where I cut the bags out at. And I used some red twine in my stash. And I used my Wink of Stella on the black tags. And just on the back, I took some white, like a creamish color paper out of my stash and wrote to and from. So each one of the black ones, the red and black tags have like a little glimmer on it. For Santa tags, this was left over from cutting out the bag. I used some, can you see that? Some stickles on his little cuffs and stuff. Let me see if this one can give you a better, closer view. Let me put it like that. So I use stickles here, there, and there. And it too has the to and from. I thought they came out really cute because you can always use little mini tags for different projects. So those were the tags I created. And guys, to use up the stickers and my scraps of paper, I created ATC cards. So here are some of the cards. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every, well, no, I'll show you everyone, but I'm not going to tell you what I use because you can see I use foil and I use the sticker elements. So here's the first one. This one. And I just used 110-pound white and black cardstock, which came from Recollections. Quick, simple, easy, but then, using the stickers gave them each a little punch. This one I thought was cute with just the gold foil and the crisp snowflake stickers. This one. And as you can see, I was using scraps of paper just to use my paper up. I think they turned out lovely. Oh my goodness, I really love these. But wait, I created more because I was trying to use up my stickers and I didn't think I could be able to like create a card or anything. So ATC came to mind. So that one, this one, so pretty. It's such a beautiful collection kit and you can do so many things with it. And I love crafting Christmas. I just love it. Oh my goodness. So I am ready to send ATC cards to friends, family, and loved ones. Now, the pack collection kit also came with 4x6 cut aparts, and I made 5x7 cards. So here's the first one, and I used green 110-pound cardstock in green, in green and red. That's the inside with the Anna Griffin sticker. This one. And like I said, ooh, I can't hardly open it. Like I said, I use different types of foil because to me, Christmas and foil go together with one another. That one. And the plaid paper, oh my goodness, the plaid paper works perfectly. Not Park Lane, who's it called? Recollections plaid works absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that cute? That one. And this is the last 4x6 cut apart that I created a 5x7 card with. Now guys, I have one more project to share with you. And I'm really, really pleased with what I created. I created this mini album. And I followed a tutorial by Lyric Lovers Crafts. And I'll leave a link to the tutorial below in my description box. It was really easy to follow. You just take your time and you get it done. So this was a 3x4 that I cut out, matted on some gold, and used some stickers out of the kit. This is what the inside, how I did the inside, and I did use some red enamel dots. Here is just a 3x4 cut apart that I put in the pocket to create a little tag light. And oh, also this mini album, you can put something up there too. So you have these pockets here, and then you have pockets at each one of the, what you would call them, each one of the pages. And here's where I use some stickers. I think this turned out really, really pretty. 3x4, backed it on some green. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And I'm so proud of myself. Oh my goodness. Another here, stickers. This is a little crooked and I couldn't pull it back up, but it'll get the job done. And this I did on purpose. I did slant it on purpose. So guys, these are my makes into the challenge by Lady Kre to kill a 12 by 12 collection kit. I think I accomplished the challenge. I used everything in the kit. So Lady Kre, challenge, oops, that's falling. Challenge has been completed. Guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one.